going to get his dream car, is what we're doing. He's kind of speechless because we didn't know we were doing this.
No, we started off today going to a car show, and once again another car came to us.
Yes.
I told you the other day that if I had $100 million in the bank, I would still be up here every single day doing what I'm doing.
That's what we're doing.
And this is like putting the candles on top of the cake, and we're getting ready to light them. You know what I mean?
I'm excited.
That's your catchphrase, bro. This car that we're going to get today is one of those cars that everybody's got a car they dream about and they want. I've had a couple of them and let them go because I was in a bind. And then now that I'm in the situation to get them again, they've gone through the roof. And this one's actually really, really, really fair priced. If the condition's anything like the pictures, I feel like we're gonna be pumped. And I feel like y'all are gonna see more than one version of this car.
What do you mean you're gonna see more than one version?
Because we're kind of famous right now in our own minds for building these survivors, where we take these vehicles and leave the exteriors alone, but make them as nice as we can everywhere else. And this car is definitely, it'd be a possibility to do that. To do a version of that. Yeah. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And not have to sink a megaton into it to start
have
enjoying
a nice driving.
Yeah, and start enjoying it right away. I'm excited. Like, I've got Chase's catchphrase in my brain. Like, I've been kind of speechless. And I quit my band today.
Oh, you quit the band? Did you call and tell everybody?
I called and told everybody.
Oh, man.
So I had to...
Just all sorts of emotions are going through your brain.
Yeah, I feel like I need to go home and watch The Notebook so I can just cry it all out. I had to choose where to put my dedications, and while I love making music and I've done it for a long time and met a lot of great people and enjoyed it, I love this more. And I would do this forever. I will do this forever, and now that I'm back into doing this, it's been almost a year now, this is all I want. This is all I want. I love doing it. So
I'm glad he likes doing this, because I like doing it too.
And I couldn't do this without this guy, man. I promise you. Like, y'all may see me doing a lot of work, but I wouldn't be doing any of this work without Chase.
And I wouldn't be doing any of this without this guy. So we're a duo.
Right. I'm Robin to your Batman. It's home. It's home.
It just needs TLC? Is that what this car needs? Are you ready to you're already ready to drive it. Take off. I don't think it's taking off just right now.
Boy.
All right. Who got you smiling like that?
Yeah. This sucker's nice.
So we got
some premium ATF.
that was under the hood.
Yes, sir. So that means it was a good deal because it came with transmission.
Yeah, that came for free.
Yeah.
So we got the whole car in this bottle of ATF. We're set. But we're about to start cleaning it up, taking all the trash and loose stuff out of the inside.
See what the rust really is. Because we know there's some rust on the car.
Absolutely. We're gonna get the carpet out and just kind of go through this car and clean it up, vacuum it out, and see what we got. So y'all come along as we do that.
Yeah, I'm excited still, even though it's nasty as shit. Look.
Oh.
There's the factory seats.
That's cool.
And it should be a piece right here in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, dude, the seat. Oh, just the bottom. God.
That's what the factory stuff's supposed to look like.
Dang, that looks good. What do you think about the damage?
I don't know, I want to get the carpet up and see.
Are you hopeful that it's not too bad?
I'm hopeful that I could patch it and we could enjoy it. I mean, if you were gonna like make it a uber nice car, I'd want to replace some of it for sure. But if we could just patch some of it so we can enjoy it, that would be awesome.
All right, well, let's get to it.
Cut it around that gas pedal.
This stuff's just ripping out.
I'm liking what I'm seeing so far.
Yeah, it's not bad. That broke off.
Oh, it just pops on there.
Cool. Yeah, dude.
Yeah. I mean, there's a hole right there.
There's a hole right there.
Yeah, but
man, it's not bad.
it's not
like,
crazy.
It's not like your what's his name? Fred Flintstone in it.
Well, what was that? Remember that other Impala we looked at?
Oh, it was bad.
It was horrible.
Horrible. Oh, there's a hole.
There's a hole.
Look at the hole.
Shoot, that's just air conditioning.
Man, yeah, that's the crotch. Keep your crotch cool.
This side's not even near as bad as that side.
There's a spot.
There's a soft spot right at the cross member,
Look
at
right
the
there.
brace. Yeah, and there's a hole right here.
A hole. Hey, man, we wouldn't own it if it didn't have holes.
I've got holes.
In every floorboard that I own.
This is what it should look like.
It'd be nice if it all looked like that. That's salvageable right there.
Oh my God, if the back wasn't covered, it's gone on the back.
Yep.
Man, that's what it should look like.
Well,
Nice.
ripping it out.
Holy shit, come over here and look. Say hello to my little friend.
Oh, man.
That's a big old rat snake, probably.
Dude, that sucker was huge. I wonder, he's probably gone.
Yeah, he's probably gone. He probably ate the mouse that was living in there.
Yep.
Chilled out, shed his skin. Unless he's in there. Ah!
Man, Joker, you scared the crap out of me. What else you finding? You find anything? It's good, huh?
Yeah, these real full boards look nice.
We don't need no stinking carpet.
Oh, fix all that.
All right, let's start tearing all our stuff up. I'm gonna be really good at this. This is my jam. I can tear stuff up. Going back together is my weakness. Let's tear some stuff up. Russell! Russell!
Yo, Bo,
What are you doing?
making it shiny and new. Kill that vacuum. Damage is assessed.
It's not too bad.
2 front floor pans, the brace on each side on this floor pan.
Yeah.
And I can patch these back ones. There's just a small spot here and a small spot here. And the same on this side. Not as bad on this side,
Couple
just a
little
little
spots?
bit in the back corner
Oh,
back
God.
there. Sorry.
I'm gonna run into you.
Right there in the back corner. But
Oh,
I'll
that's not
patch
bad,
it.
man.
I'll patch that. And then the trunk pan itself. I
Yeah,
think
I
the
think
sides are okay, but the trunk pan itself, it's like 90 bucks. Man, this is ready for our Survivor treatment.
Gonna paint the frame.
Paint the frame,
Clean it
nice
up.
engine compartment, nice interior. And leave the outside just patina, put some poppies on it,
Heck yeah.
some cool wheels.
Airbags.
Airbags on the
For sure.
ground. Maybe someday we blow it all back apart
Redo it all again.
and make it hit the back bumper.
Let's do it. All right, well, I didn't realize what time it was. We gotta go.
I gotta go too, my wife's guaranteed tripping.
Yeah, that was what we did today. We weren't expecting that. So stay tuned and you'll get to see what all we do to this 64 Impala. We've got a lot of projects. So y'all stick around and keep watching. We'll see y'all next time.
We gotta say thank you to Carlos.
Would you give us a word? Tell us a little bit about this car?
Well, it's a 64. One
Yeah?
of a kind. Special order. My boy said find him one. I found you one.
He found me
You did
one.
find us one. Found us a damn 64 Impala.
Kicked myself in the butt for letting me get it, but I love him too much not to. I'm a man of my word.
Thank you.
And
High
the
five.
journey's
I'm
the
glad he's a
beginning.
man of his word.
Awesome.
Yeah. Can't wait to see it going, because as soon as we get the LS in here, we're gonna LS mine.
There we go.
On the journey.
On the journey. Journey HQ.